Good morning, folks, and welcome to a wonderful sunny Costa Adeje here at Tenerife. So this is our first day. We're going to have a little mooch around, see what we can see, try and get some SIM cards for our phones, and yeah, just try and get the lay of the land. So come on, let's go see what we can find, eh? So we're going to have a look in here. Centro Comercial San Eugenio. And I've probably just butchered the Spanish pronunciation of that, not translation, because I can't translate it. Wowza, just got a price there for eSIM unlimited, €60. I'm sure we can get it cheaper elsewhere. So yeah, we're gonna have a look somewhere else for them. €60. So these electric scooter things, you can get an app on your phone and hire these to go all over. Not sure how much they are, but I do know during this holiday we will have a go of them. Try saying the name of this bar 10 times without swearing. Well, a few hours have gone by because we've been to the neighbouring hotel to visit family and I've had a jug of sangria. Anywho, we're going to head back round to our hotel and see what's on the lunch menu. And in case you wonder why I didn't video when I was round talking to family, they're very camera shy. Home sweet home. Ooh la la, caviar. Wow, very nice.
Good afternoon.
Got lots of salad stuff, soups and stuff. Well, I only showed you a small selection of what there was for lunch there. There was burgers, chicken, all sorts of things fresh off the grill, pizzas, salads, you name it, they had it. Including full bowls of caviar. Really? Anywho, gonna see what else there is to do with the rest of the day. Possibly going to the pool, I don't know yet. So just in case the sound and video is different, it's because I've switched to the 360 waterproof camera just to show you the pool area for the first time. We've got the bar, we've got the self-serve beverages here, all included. Well, we've had to go back inside to go back up the lifts because there wasn't any ramps up to the pool, and it was all stairs. And since we've got a wheelchair with us, we're not quite sure how. 2 seconds. We're not quite sure how we're going to get to the pool with a wheelchair. Somebody said we want to go to reception, but that's on the 3rd floor. And the 1st floor is where the pool is. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Well, a nice gentleman from reception showed us how to get here to the pool level without using any stairs. And it's basically through there. Now, I'll show you when we leave, so I'll show you the reverse journey, but at least you'll be able to see where you start. There's basically a long tunnel and corridor that you have to go along, and that fetches you out at the pool level without having to use any stairs. So if you've got wheels with you, that's the way to go. Well, I've got to be careful of copyright music, but we're in the pool, and one thing I've noticed, you have to use ladders to get into it because it is 1.5 meters all the way across. So it's the same depth across the whole pool, and there's no easy entrance into it. So yeah, so this is the main pool here. There is an adult pool which we'll go have a look at maybe another day. There is an adult jacuzzi, and then there is a smaller pool further over at the back. Okie dokie. Update the plan. I'm going to take you around. So that's the main pool. That's the one with the ladder entry. Then over there, that pool, the smaller one, actually has gradiated, couldn't get the words out, stairs to get into it. But I'm going to take you around to the adult pool, which is over next to them stairs there, and see what that one's like. So you can see I'm at the opposite side of the pool now. Go up these stairs or the ramp that's over there, and this fetches you. Unfortunately, you've got to go through the smoking area, which is just here, but then that takes you to the adults only area. So I did check, and the jacuzzi, it is heated. Awesome. I put my hand in, felt lovely. So I may have to have a wee dip in there. Word of warning though, there are 2 ramps to get up to the adult area. And like I say, you have to go through the smoking area, which stinks because it all just hang around. Well, you've got to walk through the middle of everybody smoking basically. But the ramps are virtually vertical. They are so steep. So pushing wheelchairs up there, yeah. Well, as you can see, I've decided to come into the jacuzzi. The sun's setting behind me and it's getting a bit cold now. I don't want to get out. Anywho, I think that'll just about do it for today. See you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job. Ooh, that's not the end of the video. I promised I would show you how to get here to the pool area if you had wheels. So that's the main pool over there. This is the smaller pool with the graduated steps, like I said. But if you walk in this corner, so you've got that pool there, and walk right to the corner, and you come to, so like I say, there's a small pool in the corner. You come to the table tennis tables. Then the pool table. Turn right and go along this corridor. Now, there is that ramp there. Go down there and turn to the left. That's where the drinks are. So unfortunately, if you're a wheel user, that's what you've got to do. Go all the way around like that to get down to the bar to get your drinks. And then go all the way back to get to the pool. But anyhow, we're not finished. So there's the arcade. Go along this corridor. And that's the pool area there. So if you're a wheel user, come out of that elevators, along that corridor, and just keep on trucking. So that being said, now is the time to do your job. hit like, hit subscribe, and all that good stuff.